Hi, my name's Chris Horton, and today we're at the Fort Walton Beach MarineMax, and I'm standing on a brand new 2020 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. This one's already got a Simrad chart plotter GPS, Fusion stereo. Moving forward, plenty of room up front. You have storage underneath each one of those cushions. This one has the captain's chairs with bolsters on them. Large ski locker for storage. An extra large bimini top. And this one's powered by a Mercury 150 4-stroke. Nice sun pad on the back. The beauty about this boat is the motor weighs half as much as an inboard outboard, and it's easier to maintain, especially in the salt water. If you'd like to know more, please give me a call on my cell phone at 850-974-6032.